Hello. Hi. Yes, I've received the payment for $15 million. Looking forward to work with you. Thank you. Time for my private jet to arrive now and to surprise my father.
Rukaya, where have you come? What's this place?
Dad, just come with me. Yeah.
Whose office have you come to, Rukaya? Who are we going to meet?
Dad, throughout my life, you have been my pillar of support. Without whom I would have been lost. But today, you have become a company's guiding light. Thank you so much for everything you have done for me, Dad.
Thank you, Rukaya. Judging by the way this played out, you may think that Rukaya was the model student, the one teaching the teacher, the one who thinks being Uber is nothing short of a party. However, that isn't the case. Rukaya, overnight success came with years of hard work, commitment, and dedication to excellence. Having to face multiple battles, Rukaya's greatest achievement will be that she was not bound by her limitations and that she never gave up.
Oh, Dad, stop lying.
Honey, dear, you keep quiet now.
Let's look at an incident where Rukaya had to contend with difficulties during her school life.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, students. We are going to study with the continuation of. But before that, we are going to start on with refreshing what we did yesterday. Okay, so I'll write a question in the board and I'll pick one of you to do it. Who shall I pick? Rukaya, can you do the question?
So, me?
Yeah.
Will Shivani dance today itself, or is it going to take ages to complete? Huh?
Rekai. What are you doing? Stay quiet.
He still hasn't completed the question.
That's it. Moment, get up. I know it is you. And I'm not surprised. Because you are the only one in this class who will mock other students.
Sir, it's not me.
Don't lie. I spotted on how you laughed at her.
Sir, it's not me. She's the one who's doing it slow. She should have gone to some special school.
That's it. What are you saying? Never be proud of something which is not permanent. And how could you say something like that? Do you know what will happen in future?
But sir,
No more discussions on this. Very good. Keep it up. Good afternoon, students. Good morning, students. Mohammed, don't repeat this again. That's it.
enough from others based on their class, gender, or family status. Don't you know the divine line?
The Barakah of School Holiday, Malam Chaya Pida Tara, is a Western or Western Vedana convention. Blessed is Allah, the best of creators.
Now, Mukaya, let's go. These are not your true friends. True friends will not treat you like this.
So you see, this was my life. I felt like I was running through a losing battle. Behind the wheels, constantly mocked, always doubted. Many wrote me off at first sight. But today, I proved them wrong. Today, the world knows my name.
In life, if life was nothing but a straight line, you would not appreciate the heights you reach, respected judges, teachers, and my fellow students. As you watch today's assembly, we hope you have a few laughs, but we also hope each scene can help you find something that's missing, the determination to work as the day snatched away, the motivation to be the best that social media has destroyed. Today, we hope your life takes a turn for better, but also remember to appreciate the worst. We just witnessed the transformation of Rukaya from a student to CEO. But throughout the years, we have seen many others who have changed the world through perseverance and determination.
Hello everyone, I am Steve Jobs and this is my story. My academic journey was unconventional. I attended Reed College and left or dropped out just after one semester because of some financial conflicts. However, I did not give up. I co-founded Apple in 1976. While achieving tremendous success, I had to face multiple challenges. One of which was I was kicked out of my own company in 1985 due to some internal conflicts. However, once again, I did not give up. With all these challenges, it was just an instrument that pushed me forward to create and innovate products that changed the world.
Hello everyone, I am the image of the lecturer, Thomas Alva Edison. At a very young age, I suffered from hearing loss, which made conventional learning difficult. This led to a process of frustration and isolation. Despite this, my mother Nancy continued to push me to learn. She encouraged me to read, which developed my curiosity. As I grew older and ventured into the world of invention, I encountered countless setbacks and financial struggles. During the invention of the light bulb, it took years of tireless experimentation and thousands of failed attempts before we found the final product you see before you today. People say that I failed 1,000 times, but I seem to tell them that I found 1,000 ways that didn't work before I succeeded.
Hey dear, I have to order coffee. As a child, I started my business delivering newspapers. I invested in stocks before I reached my teenage years. However, my journey was When I applied to Harvard Business School, I was rejected. I had to learn and adapt on my own. When I started my own investment partnership, I faced a major setback when the market crashed in 1957. Despite that, I persevered. My business grew, slowly but it grew. I transformed it into Berkshire Hathaway. I have had faced most of the challenges like market fluctuations, economic crisis, but I was always stubborn my principles of value, investment, and long-term. These were the most valuable lessons I have learned. First, patience, risk management, and discipline.
Hi, I'm Malala Yousafzai, and this is my story. One of the earliest challenges I faced was growing up in a small family where the Taliban chose to deny girls like me the right to education. Despite threats and violence, I continued going to school along with my father, who supported my right to education. When I was just 16 years old, the Taliban shot me in the head while I was riding a school bus. This event changed my life forever. And I became a symbol for education for girls' rights in 2020. Education is a fundamental right, and I think it can change society.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अपने सरलाए हमना एवा चार लोगोनी जिक्र सुनी કે જેના જિંદગીમાં જે અપ્સ એન્ડ ડાઉન્સ હતા એને ઓવરકમ કીધું ને ના ઉમ્મીદ થયા ને ના ઉમ્મીદ ના થયા આકા મોલા દોલગાહ શરીફ એ આસર અશરફ મુબારકાની વાસમાં ફરમાયું કે મુમિનને લાઝિમ છે ખુદા પર તવક્કુલ રાખીને બિઝનેસ કરે વેપારમાં એક હુનર અને એક સિસ્ટમ હોય છે અમીરુલ મુમિનીન સલ્લલ્લાહુ અલૈહિ ફરમાવે છે કે બિઝનેસમાં કેલ્ક્યુલેટેડ રિસ્ક લેવાનું તેવા અંદર ગિવ અપ ના કરવાનું જેવા અંદર કે લોસ થી પ્રોફિટ મળી જાય હજી શું ફરમાવે છે આ કે બિઝનેસમાં થોડું એડવેન્ચર હોય જેના સબબ લાઈફ દિલચસ્પ બને છે we just now witnessed 4 stories of the people who never gave up in their life and overcame with the biggest difficulties. Aka Mullah Dawullah Sharif states in one of his bayans during Ashura Mubarakah that while doing business, you should always have faith in God, have passion, and you should know the system of how to do the business. Amirul Mumineen Sallallahu Alaihi states that you should always have calculated risks, and until you don't make a profit, you should never give up. He also states that there should be little adventures while doing the business so that your life becomes more interesting.
Ladies and gentlemen, I stand before you with a heart full of gratitude and appreciation as we conclude this memorable class assembly on behalf of our entire class. I would like to express a sincere thanks to everyone who has made this event possible. First and foremost, extend a deepest gratitude to our ever-supportive principal, Janab Sheikh Shabir Bhai Sheikh Hussain Bhai, for his unwavering encouragement and belief in our abilities, and being a constant source of inspiration. To our class teacher, Sir Selva Kumar, we owe a debt of gratitude and can never fully be repaid. Thank you for being a mentor, guide, and friend. A special thank you to all our teachers for never giving up on us. Your support has been instrumental in us developing what we are today. To our wonderful classmates, you are the heart and soul of this assembly. Your enthusiasm, creativity, and teamwork has made this event a success. In the end, we pray that Allah Ta'ala gives our beloved Mona a constant pillar of support, without whom our life would be a constant downward spiral, along and healthy life till the day of Qiyamah. Ameen.